lesson, we are going to learn how early humans lived in caves, the benefits of a house, the different kinds of houses, the materials used for making houses. Now, I will ask you to imagine that you are living in a tent. Think that you are living in a tent house. Tent house. How it will be? It will be made of cloth. Isn't it, children? Yes, it will be like this. Think that you are living in a tent. You all know that tent is a temporary house. Tent is a temporary house. That means you can shift this one. You can fold it and shift this one to anywhere you go. Wherever you go, you can shift this house also. You may think that it will be very nice to live in a tent house. Wherever beautiful place you go, you can take it. Isn't it nice, children? Yes. If you go to a hill station, by the side of a river, to live, it will be very nice. By the side of a river or in any field trips you will be going, and you can take this tent house. You might have seen in NCC and this one soldiers putting caps. Wherever you go for picnic, you can put a campfire and enjoy it. Isn't it, children? You can put a kettle like this, put campfire and enjoy the night, isn't it? You might have seen in films and TVs, isn't it? Yes, this is campfire. You might have seen students putting campfire, college students, when they go outside for camps and all, they put campfire and dance around it. How nice it will be, isn't it? Yes. Then you all can sleep together in this one small house, tent house. So it will be nice, but it will be dangerous also, isn't it? Yes, if any wild animals come, if there are any wild animals, it will be dangerous also. And you will not get any water supply or electricity, or you cannot protect yourself from rain. No electricity. Isn't it, children? Without electricity, you cannot turn fan, no lights, no mixer and grinder to use. You cannot watch TV and all. So there are some benefits and there are lots of demerits. There will be no water supply, no electricity, no drainage facility. Isn't it? It will be as though in long ago people lived. Early humans lived in caves. Isn't it? Living in a tent will be like that. Early humans lived in caves. It will be same like that only. See, the early humans, they lived in caves or under the trees. They have put campfire to protect themselves from the cold, and in that one only they are cooking the meat. They are cooking the flesh of the meat, and they have worn skin of animals. See, it is a small cave. In that one only many people are living, and they are cooking food in that fire itself. Of course, this will protect them from rain and cold weather, but there will be no protection from the dangerous animals. It will not have any doors to close and protect themselves. So the house, will it be nice to live in such tents or caves? Or the houses we live in? Yes, now think of the houses we live in. The houses we live in gives us protection from heat of the sun, cold weather, and it will also protect us from rain and danger from the harmful animals and thieves. It also is helpful for the protection of our valuable things. Houses protect us from heat, cold and rain. They also protect us from danger and harm. Danger and harm will be from the thieves and also from the wild animals. So houses protect us from heat, cold and rain. They protect us from danger and harm. So it is better to live in a permanent houses. It is better to have a permanent houses. Houses protect us from heat, cold and rain, and they also protect us from harmful animals like lion, tiger, harmful animals, and also protect our valuables. Protect our valuables. Valuables means costly things like gold, silver, money. Valuables from thieves. THIEVES, thieves. Valuables means costly things. So we must have a permanent structure. We must live in a permanent structure called house. In villages, most of the people live in huts. Huts are made of mud and straw. The walls are made of mud and it is painted with and the roof is made of straw. The walls are made of mud and painted and the roofs are made of straw. Nowadays in villages also they are making big houses and they are using glass and steel windows, but some of the roofs are made of tiles. See, instead of some uses straw and some are using tiled roofs. This is houses in villages. One is made of mud and straw and another one is made of cement and the roofs are made of tiles. But nowadays in cities and even in the villages, now they are building strong houses which are made of steel rods, cements, bricks, stones. See here, the construction of the building is shown where they are using steel rods, cement, bricks and stones. Some houses are made of wood, stones, mud and straw. Some houses are made of bricks, cement and steel. The houses made of bricks, cement and steel will be strong and they last longer. The doors and windows of these houses are made of wood and glass. These houses, which are built from bricks, cement and steels, their doors and windows are made of wood and glass. You can see a bungalow here. You can see some types of houses here. This is a bungalow. This is a small block of flats, and this is a multi-story building. All these houses are made of brick, cement and steel. These houses you can see mostly in cities. These bungalows you can see nowadays even in the villages. But you can see such houses, all these three types of houses in cities nowadays. This bungalow is usually a multi-story building, and usually bungalows have a lawn in front of it. Lawn means grass grown in front of the glass lawn. LAWN. A lawn is an area of neatly cut grass. Neatly cut grass. You can see a lawn over here. The grass is cut neatly. In front of the bungalows you can see such lawns and beautiful gardens. But wherever the shortage of place is there, bungalows can be built wherever enough place is there. But in cities, scarcity of place will be there. So in a small place they will build many floors, one upon the other. Floors built one upon the other, or houses built one upon the other, are called flats. So it is a small block of flats, and this one is a multi-story building. Many floors or many houses are built one on the top of another. Wherever the space scarcity is there, this type of buildings are made. Flats. What is a flat, children? Flats are houses built one on top of another. There are several flats in the same building. Flats are mostly found in towns and cities. But there is, for these bungalows, flats, we can get the electrical facility, water facility. Water can be supplied, and we also can get drainage facility also. So it is better to live in a permanent structure called houses. These flats save space. In cities, scarcity of place will be there, so they save the place. Whatever kind of house you live. Now tell me what type of house you live in. It may be a single story building, or it may be a ground floor building. It may be big, small, hut. And tin houses, we call it as shacks, tin shacks. Poor people in cities, they live in tin shacks, tin houses. Whatever type of house we may live in, it is called as home. The house we live in. The house we live in is our home. Whatever type of house we may live in, we should keep it clean and tidy.